Welcome to Somfy's video manual for Somfy-powered rolling shutters. In this video, you will learn how to reset the motor to factory mode. Perform a double power cut. Turn the power to the motor off for 2 seconds. Turn it back on for 10 seconds. Turn the power off again for 2 seconds. Turn the power back on and the motor should either jog or move up or down for about 5 seconds, depending where the shutter was at the power cut. Now take any RTS transmitter and press and hold the programming button on the back of the control until the motor jogs twice. The motor is now reset and ready to be programmed. Thanks for watching. Visit us on rollershield.com for more information.